Howdy, we have a little bit of something we want to kind of show y'all. We have some new things that I want to kind of show and kind of talk about. So without further ado, I'm gonna pull some cars and push some cars onto the camera for y'all to look at, and we're gonna talk about them a little bit. Okay, so as of right now, we have this caboose that's got knuckle couplers on it. So we have it fitted with knuckle couplers. This Union Pacific caboose right here. Now we have that's new that I want to talk about. We have this unpainted covered hopper. Now I haven't really decided. It's a unpainted, undesigned, uncovered hopper, and I haven't really decided on what color to paint it or what kind of design to put on it yet. I have a wide variety of ideas. It could be turned into a CSX hopper, or I'm just, it could be Union Pacific. I haven't really decided on what to do with it. So I will be keeping y'all up to date on that. If y'all have any ideas, put your comments in the comment section below and give me your ideas. Maybe find something that's see if y'all know anything that would be unique in the railroad category that would be uncommon. So maybe put some ideas, and I can maybe look through y'all's ideas and y'all can tell me what your paint and detail ideas might be. When I say detail, like logos, etc. So anyways, I have that's a new piece of rolling stock that I actually have. Up next we have something that's kind of corny, kind of funny here on my YouTube channel that I just decided to do just for laughs. But I do have a new piece of rolling stock, so it's coming up here just a second. So anyways, if y'all are new to my channel, please hit the like button, and if you really like it, actually hit the like button. So yeah, be sure and hit the like button and make sure you have the notification bell turned on. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and show y'all the new piece of rolling stock that we have. Now, what we have right here, whoa, didn't mean to expose that. I'm gonna pop that right there. What we have in this gondola right here is, and we can go ahead and show y'all what we have. In this gondola, we actually have some a hopper, some little bricks right here. And what we're going to do with these bricks, we're going to actually take those bricks and we're going to make us a pit, a barbecue pit. And with this flat car right here, this is a new piece of rolling stock we have. The track might be a little bit dirty, but yeah, with this piece of rolling stock we have right here, I think this load right here, this is a new piece of rolling stock that I have right now. This is a loaded flat car with a pig. I put the pig on there just for shits and giggles. But yeah, whoops. Anyway, even though it's kind of out of scale. It's a very big hog, but even though it's kind of out of scale for HO scale. But I just did that just for shit, just for laughs. But yeah, we're gonna take those bricks and we're gonna make us a barbecue pit, and we're gonna I think this right here, this item right here is a boiler because I looked at it, looked at the details, and it's gonna go to a pressure cooker, and we're going to pressure cook us our hog and have us some beers. So yeah, we got us a boiler, and we got some bricks, and we got us a hog, and we're gonna cook us our hog and have us some good food and a good time. So yeah, the new piece of rolling stock that I decided to get. I have no idea where I would put that or have that delivered on my layout. I don't have any really ideas yet on where I might want to put that and have them maybe park that piece of rolling stock on my layout, because I know that really ideally does look like a piece of rolling stock. Oh, I'm sorry, that looks like a boiler. And that's what it is. I'll show y'all the detail. That's the front end of the boiler. And then removing the pig, that is the back end of a boiler. So that is a small boiler right there. Now that we have that done, we have something else we want to show y'all that's new. So we'll be talking about that in just a second. So this consist of cars in the diesel locomotive is out. I think my track is dirty. I got dirty track. Something's going on. Okay. Now we have. Now I'm about to tell y'all about what's going on. Just a damn second. Hold up. All right, hang tight. Have a little bit of a technical difficulty. Hang tight, folks. I've got a locomotive I want to kind of update y'all on. y'all might have to fast forward if y'all need to on this video. Okay, I think we got it on the track. Okay, so now we have our locomotive on the track. The locomotive that I'm speaking about is the we'll have my Yukon Queen project locomotive. We're going to bring that into view for a second. Okay, so the update on this is that I have actually took it to my DCC and sound guy who lives locally near me. His name's Rick with DCC Installs. I had him add a quill to it and a bell. I just thought I'd share that with y'all. So here is the bell. This is the exact bell. I had him change the bell. Sounds pretty good. It might need a little tweaking, but overall pretty good. Now here's the whistle. As y'all can tell, it's got the quill to it. And if I could access my CVs with my NCE power cab, I might could change up the CVs and kind of have the correct kind of quill, but I think that's about as good as I'm going to get for right now. If there's any other sound updates, I'll do another video. Anyways, with that being said, I have a new locomotive probably coming up soon in the next couple of months. We'll be doing a video on that one. It'll be a Santa Fe war bonnet. And we'll give y'all the details and talk about it as soon as we get it. But with that being said, happy model railroading, everybody, and make sure once again y'all are subscribed and hit the notification bell, and that way you are tuned in, and every time I put up a video, y'all will be notified. So with that being said, happy model railroading, and this is the end of my video.